Hey, gaming enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something exciting on our hands. The Asus ROG Phone 8 Pro. Asus has been a pioneer in the gaming phone arena, and with the latest iteration, they are pushing the boundaries even further. With a stunning display, powerhouse internals, and a camera setup that's sure to impress, let's dive into the details of the Asus ROG Phone 8 Pro. Before starting the video, the buy link is given in the description and you can buy this phone from Amazon at a discounted price. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my latest tech reviews. So let's start the video. Starting with the Asus ROG Phone 8 Pro, its standout feature is the expansive 6.7-inch Full HD Plus display boasting a resolution of 2400 by 1080. This is not your average screen, it's meticulously crafted for gaming, ensuring vibrant colors and razor-sharp details that immerse you in a visually captivating experience during gaming sessions and multimedia consumption. The carefully designed display enhances not only gameplay but also elevates the overall enjoyment of various media, making the ROG Phone 8 Pro a go-to choice for those who crave immersive visuals on their gaming device. Shifting our focus to the camera capabilities of the ROG Phone 8 Pro, it goes above and beyond with an impressive triple camera system. The main camera boasts an incredible 50MP resolution, ensuring exceptional clarity and detail in every shot. Complementing this, the 13MP ultra-wide-angle lens widens your perspective, capturing more of the scene in a single frame. Additionally, the 32MP telephoto lens enhances your photography toolkit, allowing you to zoom in with precision. This versatile camera setup guarantees a seamless transition from everyday photography to capturing epic in-game achievements. Furthermore, the high-resolution 32MP front camera ensures stunning selfies, completing the ROG Phone 8 Pro's comprehensive imaging capabilities. Gaming on the go requires power, and the ROG Phone 8 Pro delivers with a hefty 5,500 mAh battery. This ensures extended gameplay without worrying about running out of juice. Asus understands that gamers need their devices to keep up with their intense sessions, and the robust battery capacity is designed just for that. Powering the ROG Phone 8 Pro is a gaming powerhouse under the hood. Boasting an impressive 16 GB of RAM, the device ensures a seamless gaming experience where multitasking becomes a breeze. Whether you're switching between apps or diving into intense gaming sessions, the substantial RAM ensures smooth and lag-free performance. Furthermore, the generous 512 GB of storage provides an abundance of space, allowing gamers to store a vast library of games, videos, and other multimedia content without the worry of running out of storage. This robust combination of RAM and storage truly caters to the needs of avid gamers, making the ROG Phone 8 Pro a formidable device in the gaming arena. In conclusion, the Asus ROG Phone 8 Pro is a powerhouse designed for gamers who demand the best. With a stellar display, long-lasting battery, impressive camera capabilities, and top-tier performance, it's a comprehensive gaming phone that caters to the needs of the gaming community. If you're a mobile gamer or just someone who values high-performance smartphones, the ROG Phone 8 Pro is definitely worth considering. And that wraps up our in-depth look at the Asus ROG Phone 8 Pro. What are your thoughts on this gaming beast? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Subscribe for more tech reviews, and we'll catch you in the next one. Happy gaming!